everyone, this is Miss Fox. I'm going to show you guys a new way to log in so that you guys can request books for Mobile Mustang. So I know typically I've shown you how to go in through the portal, and you still have to go in through the portal for this if you're going to access it through Schoology. I have a QR code, and so let me show you exactly what that is. If you come in to your portal and you log in, then you go to Schoology. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to look for a library tile that looks like this. So it's the library course. It's going to have yellow on the top and the bottom. It'll have some books. I'll just say library and then my name. So once that page loads, down below, I've kind of moved things a bit. Right here, this book hold QR code is what you're going to use. Now you will have to use a mobile device as a tablet or an iPhone, a smart device, something like that. So I have my phone here. I'm just going to open up the camera, and you can do this with a phone. You can do it with an iPad, anything like that that has a scanner. I'm going to scan it, and then I'm going to click at the very top of the screen. All right, so now I have this one. It looks kind of like this. All I'm going to do is I'm going to click these three lines right here. Then I'm going to come into log in, and I'm going to log in. Whoop, didn't take it. There we go. Using the same information that I would use to log into the portal. And now yours is going to be your S number and then whatever your password is. Because I'm an employee, mine is my E number. Now once I've logged in, I can see that it has my name. It says Boone Elementary School, and you will be taken to the mobile platform for it. Again, you're going to scroll down all the way to the bottom. You'll find your topics. Same thing, let's say that I want a humorous or a funny book. I'm just going to click on that, and then let's pretend that I want to put the Amelia Bedelia book on hold. I would just push hold, and that's it. If I want to, let's say I make a mistake and I want to take that off, I'm just going to push unhold. The capabilities at that point, once you log in, are the exact same for the other way that we did it too, the longer way. This is just a little shortcut that you guys can use. Hopefully that makes it a little bit easier. Like I said, once you get into the catalog and it acknowledges you and says welcome and then your name to Boone Elementary School, it's the exact same as the other way. This should make it a little easier. The reason we didn't roll it out all together like this at the beginning is because not everybody has a smart device to do this with. And so we wanted everyone to have the same information to begin with so that everybody has equal access to our collection and our books. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Bye. Have a great day.